Can you guess what it is?
The masked finger.
This is episode 5, and I'm using McCart Full Coverage Clear Coffin Tips. And our guest for today is the nailification bell. And as you know, or for anyone new to the channel today, the rules are the same as the TV program. We're going to give you a number of clues, and then you are going to have to figure out what nail product is underneath nailification bell. But I always do start out by explaining the set. So 3 of the nails will be the silver chrome, which has some unusual characteristics that I'll explain as I go along. As a matter of fact, if you notice now, this polish goes on so matte. Just look at it. But then it's going to change up when it dries, and it gives you that awesome chrome finish. The one nail is going to be white. Then I'll add the nail art. And you know what? We're going to make this such an awesome episode today. We're going to go ahead right now and give you your very first clue.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
I have always and always will dominate the nail industry.
I get it. It's because we needed time to think this one out.
Oh, yeah.
Now, as you can see, I've started on the second coat, and if you take a look at this chrome polish, it's doing the same thing again. As it's going on, it has that dry look. But check it when it's dry, and you'll see a big difference. Once this white polish is dry, I'm going to be adding some unicorn dust to it to give it a really pretty iridescent look. Oh, and if you like these purple nails that I'm wearing, they were from my BOUJEE Nails on a Budget series from yesterday. I'll have a link for it in my description box, as well as at the outro at the end of this video. And while I'm dusting the powder on, let's give you your second clue.
I come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and I can be used with any nail product.
I know exactly what it is.
Again? As I'm doing this and I'm taking sneak peeks into the camera, I'm not sure if the iridescent look is coming into your view, but it is so beautiful. And since this set is supposed to have a wintry feel, I decided to add some drips so that you could feel the chill. And while I'm dripping these nails out, here is another clue for you.
Many of you have been getting a lot of me, especially in this season.
Just look at those drips, guys. That nail makes me feel cold. Just too cold. And here's one of the times that I wanted to be sure to point it out. So take a look at the chrome nails, and I'm getting ready to add some glossy top coat, and watch what happens. Look at how it appears to fade. Then it's going to go back to its normal state when it dries and be so shiny and beautiful. And to set this cold, wouldn't even be right if it didn't have that ice, right? So I'm going to be adding some stones. Not too much, just a couple of pieces to coordinate with that drip. And guess what, guys? While I'm doing that, you guys are going to get a bonus today, because where I typically do 3, you guys are going to get a 4th clue. And here it is.
You can get me by the millions for your shmoney on the dollar.
Now, I think these were some pretty good clues.
Yeah, they sure were.
And I'm also wondering, maybe somebody got it by now.
I think so too.
Okay, Nailification Bell, you got anything to say to the viewers out there?
Yes, if you've been enjoying this, you should subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit me up and I'll always keep you up on anything new. This was such a great experience and I hope it was a pleasure for you too.
Take it off, take it off, take it off. Oh no, it's about to happen.
Bring it on.
Oh my gosh, finally, it's glitter. And it's so beautiful, I might add. So Glitter, we just want to thank you for being a part of this today. You did so awesome.
Real nice job.
And guys, this is your last glimpse of the nail formerly known as the Nailification Bell, together with the nail now known as Glitter. And this is the completed set. I hope this was a blast for you just as much as you see it was for us. Thank you for spending your time with us today, and we'll see you in the next one.